Good morning everyone, my name is Aditya Putra Pradana. My name is 1925053. So, in today's video, I will express my opinion about smoking in campus area. Cigarettes contain more than 7,000 chemicals, and at least 70 of them can cause cancer, according to the World Health Organization. That's mine. When someone smoke in the campus area, they are not only harming themselves, but also their friends who are sitting nearby. As students, we come to campus to gain knowledge, not to breathe in poison. Our lungs deserve clean air, not cigarette smoke floating around us. The second reason is about the environment and social responsibility. Smoking does not only affect individuals, but also the cleanliness and beauty of our campus. Have you ever noticed the cigarette butts scattered on the ground near bench or in front of classroom? The small piece of waste might look harmless, but they take up to 10 years to decompose. Moreover, cigarettes butts contain toxic chemicals that can pollute the soil and water. So, when someone throws their cigarette on the ground, it's not just litter, it's pollution. From a social perspective, smoking in public area also set a bad example for younger student or visitor. Imagine a new student walking into campus for the first time and seeing many people smoking freely near the entrance. What message does the send? It tells them that smoking is normal, even acceptable, but we know it's not. We learn about the dangers of smoking in biology and health class. We study how nicotine addiction damages the brain and the body. So, if we ignore all this knowledge and still allow smoking in campus area, we are being ignoring what we have learned.
Simple present tense. Understanding the most common English tense. Learn how to express habit, facts, and schedule. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense describe as action that happen regularly, facts and or truths that are always valid, function, habit and daily routines, fact and universal truths, permanent situation, timetables and schedule. Example, I go to school every morning. The earth revolves around the sun. Sentence structure form of affirmative subject plus verb plus s plus is for he or she or it. Example, I play football or she plays football. Negative subject plus do or does not plus verb. Example, I don't like coffee or he doesn't watch TV. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb. Example, do you like pizza or does she work here? Usage 1. Daily routines or habits used for regular or repeated action. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She goes jogging every morning. We study English on Mondays. Common time expression. Every day, usually, always, or sometime. Usage 2. Facts and general truths used to express things that are always true. Example, sunrise in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A melts in hot water. Death sentence and permanent trust. Usage 3. Permanent situation. Used for condition that do not change for a long time. Example, she lives in Jakarta. My father works in a hospital. They own a bookstore. Unlike present continuous is described stable condition. Usage 4. Schedule or fixes event. Used for future event that are fixed or scheduled. Example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock. The concert begins at 8 p.m. These are considered fixed plans. Adverb of frequency. Adverb show how often an action happen. Common adverb. Always 100%. Usually 90%. Often 70%. Sometimes 50%. Rarely 20%. Never 0%. Example, I always brush my teeth. She never eats breakfast. Common mistake and how fix them. Common mistake: she don't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. He go to school. He goes to school. Does she play tennis? Does she play tennis? Tip and minus s or minus is for he, she, it, and use do, does, or does correctly. Practice on summary. Practice sentence. Number 1. You or play football every Sunday. Number 2. Say or not like spicy food. Number 3. They or go to school of bus. Summary. Use for habits, facts, and schedule. Add minus s or minus is for he or she or it. Use do or does for negative and question.